Did you know that in Jamaica, your employer can't just keep you on probation for as long as they feel like? Or that even on probation, you still have rights, including the right to fair treatment and notice? Let's break it down clearly. What does probation period actually mean under Jamaican labor law, and what every worker should know before accepting a job offer? Probation period in Jamaica. What workers must know. All right, here's the first big truth. There's no single law in Jamaica that sets a fixed length for probation. But probation is meant to be a temporary assessment period, not indefinite employment. In most Jamaican workplaces, probation lasts 3 to 6 months, depending on what's written in your contract. Now, here's where many employers slip up. Being on probation doesn't mean they can treat you unfairly or fire you without reason. You're still protected under the Labor Relations and Industrial Disputes Act. If you're dismissed during probation, it must still be fair and reasonable. That means your employer should 1. Give feedback. 2. Offer a chance to improve. 3. Provide reasonable notice. If your probation ends and you're not confirmed, your employer must inform you in writing. The letter must state whether your employment is terminated or extended. And yes, employers can extend probation, but only if the contract allows it or you agree in writing. You cannot be kept on probation forever. Let's clear up a common myth. Being on probation doesn't mean you can be fired for no reason. Employers must act in good faith. If your dismissal feels unfair, you can report it to the Ministry of Labor and Social Security and request an investigation. You can also speak to a union representative or seek help from a lawyer who specializes in employment law. So, what can you do right now to protect yourself during probation? Here's your quick checklist. Keep your contract. Ask for feedback. Document everything. Know your notice period. Remember, probation is a trial period, not a trap. So to recap, probation must be reasonable, clearly stated in writing, and handled fairly. You still have rights, even on probation. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video so more Jamaican workers know their rights. Because every Jamaican worker deserves fairness from the start. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.